In this video, we will explore the advantages that SAP Extended Warehouse Management, or SAP EWM for short, offers compared to traditional warehouse management systems. SAP Extended Warehouse Management is a warehouse management system designed to comprehensively map complex warehouse processes. It is specifically targeted at companies that face dynamic requirements, diverse goods flows, and high process complexity. One of the key benefits of SAP EWM is its full integration with the SAP S/4HANA system. This integration enables real-time data exchange between warehouse operations, materials management, sales and distribution, and production planning. As a result, processes can be planned, controlled, and monitored end-to-end. This real-time transparency helps organizations respond more quickly to changes, detect bottlenecks early, and streamline operations more effectively. In addition, SAP EWM supports modern technologies such as mobile devices and handheld scanners directly. This allows warehouse processes to be conducted not only paperless, but also much faster and with fewer errors. Warehouse employees receive their tasks in real time on mobile devices, can post transactions directly in the system, and receive immediate feedback. This significantly reduces administrative workload and improves process reliability. Another major advantage is EWM's high degree of flexibility. Unlike rigid standard processes, the system allows for highly granular configuration and individual customization. This enables companies to tailor their warehouse strategies precisely to their operational requirements. SAP EWM also offers the ability to connect to material flow systems and fully automated high-bay warehouses. The module provides interfaces to automation systems, making it possible to centrally control conveyor systems, sorters, or automated guided vehicles, AGVs. SAP EWM thereby takes over not only the planning and control of warehouse operations, but also executes operational processes in real time. Finally, EWM includes a powerful monitoring and reporting system. Through dashboards and predefined analytics tools, warehouse managers and logistics specialists can access key performance indicators at any time, identify bottlenecks, or analyze process deviations. In this way, warehouse management becomes a data-driven control tool that actively supports strategic decision-making. In summary, SAP EWM provides a modern, scalable, and deeply integrated platform for digital warehouse management. Its advantages include increased transparency and flexibility, enhanced automation, and comprehensive integration across the entire SAP landscape. For companies with high demands on efficiency and visibility in warehouse logistics, SAP EWM offers a robust and future-ready solution that supports both competitiveness and cost optimization.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.